YouTube, welcome to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm Lisa J, and today I'm going to share with you guys a bag that I purchased on I Love Dooney during the Black Friday sale. Before I get into the video, I would like to thank all of my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you. And if you're new to this channel and you're interested in handbags, beauty, and style, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, so let's get into my reveal. I've already unboxed her, and I've already switched from one bag to the next. I did a video on my Coach Tabby, so that's the bag I've been carrying this week, and I've already switched some items inside of this saddle bag right here, and it is I've already said it. It's the saddle bag in the Florentine leather. It's the color black. It is a beauty. I love a messenger style bag. When they suggested, the Tribe Sister suggested getting your hands on one of these bags right now, since it's you know, Dooney has it back in their inventory. I said, you're right, it's the right price, and I wanted to add it to my collection because nothing like having a messenger bag. Okay, so this has 2 pockets on the inside, 2 generous pockets, and this is just for decoration purposes, I believe. It's like a loop. You see on the side how it loops. It has the hardware is like brush gold hardware. It has a back flap on the back of it, and this is a closure that keeps it closed. And this is the entire back of this bag here. It's a little harder to put it back in the hole. I won't do that right now. It comes with an adjustable strap, which can be cross-bodied and made into a shoulder bag. So it has an extension, and it came on the last hole on both sides. So let's get into this bag. Okay, I'm back, guys. So I wanted you guys to see her up and close and personal. Okay, so I'm able to put this back on the back a little bit better because it was sitting down. So I got it back in the hole here. Okay, so as I said, I've already put some things in here because I wanted to see what fit, if I could just carry my essentials, and I wanted to see if I could fit my tablet in it as well. Okay, so like I said, on the inside, she's already filled. I put the lotion right here because that's the only lotion I have right now. I do have a smaller lotion that I'm going to use when I use this bag. I have my floss and tissues and eye drops. I've changed out of this cosmetic bag because this bag would not hold both of these bags. So there's still some items in here, and I've downsized and used this cosmetic pouch slash chargers and just a few essentials that I would definitely want to carry with me. So I filled her up. I have my eyeglass case here, and I have my journal, little notebook, and I have my tablet. I had to take the tablet out of the case. So when I would carry this bag, I definitely, let me sit this back some, would carry the slimmer case that I have for this tablet just for protection purposes. Okay, and On this side pocket, I have my glasses and my sprays I normally keep on the inside. These pockets are pretty roomy on the front part. And instead of carrying my wallet on the inside, totally, because it's so small, I'm able to put this wallet, fit it right in there. So all I would have to do, dropping stuff, all I would have to do is open her up on the side. Wouldn't have to go too deep inside, and just pull out the wallet if needed. So I wanted to show you guys, because I did the unboxing, but I wanted you to see what fits inside of the bag. And I was curious to see what fits inside, because I thought the bag was a little bit bigger. But even though it's not a little bit bigger, I'm not complaining about that, because I appreciate that it seems like the right size. It's a medium, kind of smallish, but medium at the same time. I love how that snaps. There's no feet on the bottom of this bag, which you don't really need that for this style. Like I said, it has the crossbody strap, and you can take out the extension of this bag, and I probably will show you guys what and how it looks on the body. I'm just going to lay this here for right now. I definitely will probably look for one of my smaller lotions for this carry, and then my gloves if I was out and about, and my cell phone would be on the back part for easy access. Okay, so let me do some mod shots so you guys can see her on the body. Okay, here she is on me. I don't have her crossbody. I have her on my shoulder right now. So that's another option. It could be worn longer if you wanted to go that route. If you want to crossbody her, you can go like this. This is definitely going to fit over your coats. Either way you carry it, I want to make it a little bit shorter to get it to sit up a little bit further, not necessarily on below my hip. I kind of wanted to sit above my hip. So that's a nice carry. Actually, I can hold the strap, because I probably would hold it like that if I'm, you know, in the store. And then easy access. I probably would switch pockets, put whatever's in this pocket in here, and then have my wallet on this side. So it'd be definitely easy just to pull out, make my transaction, and be done. It feels comfortable on, even with the tablet inside of it. So this is definitely when I want to carry my tablet, or need to carry my tablet with me. I would not carry it in the case. That's why it's outside the case, because that particular case is heavy, and it makes this more heavy, and it's really tight and snug. So I need to, if I'm going to carry my tablet with this bag, I need to carry the slimmer case with this bag. Okay, and so now I'm going to take it off, and I want you to see how it looks on the shoulder. So you take off your extension. It's like, this leather is just so durable. It's almost like a belt, good leather belt. So that's what this strap reminds me of. Like, it's a nice, thin, strong leather belt. Okay, so this is the shoulder body option, shoulder bag option. Shoulder body. This is the shoulder bag option. So yeah, that's even comfortable as well. And you have enough drop, enough clearance for wearing a jacket. Maybe even a puffer coat. You could wear this with that. Okay, so I'm really enjoying this bag. I'm glad I nabbed this bag. I'm glad I took advantage of the sale because it was definitely worth the price. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed sharing this new beauty with me. The Dooney saddlebag in the Florentine leather in the color black. Do stay tuned for more videos. And until next time, bye.